And we have a concrete shell. Check it out. All the formwork has been removed from it, and well, here it is. Yeah, we're going to have some steps. Well, there are some steps going down in there. We've just hosed it because you've got to wet this thing twice a day. It's 1.8, supposed to be 1.8 meters deep down here. Haven't actually measured it yet, but the pump will be down this end. So we've got the electricals as well, and seems to be a big grounding cable. I guess that's a thing somehow. I don't know. Is the water grounded? I got no idea. Anyway, that's our pit in there for the cover thing. We're going to have like a a rolly cover thing. Like, it'll have like a. You won't be able to see it. It'll have like the stuff on top, the tiles on top. So anyway, yep. And oh, now I'm going to get mud all over my shoes here. But and then we've got more electricals coming out here. That's just in case we want to connect it to the laundry, like the actual controls for the lights and whatnot. But yeah, there you have it. It's a concrete shell. Yes, it will be not tiled, but it'll use a not quite pebblecrete or whatever. It's some other thing. Anyway, yeah, they do actually have an automatic overflow in here. There's another pipe which comes out here and goes around. So if the pool, if it rains heavy and the pool won't overflow, oh, there's the steps over there. The pool won't overflow. It will, via gravity, just run through the pipes and then goes to the bottom corner over there, and that will eventually be connected into the sewer peephole, which is down there, by the way. There you go. So yeah, we will eventually get that connected up. But anyway, there you go. We have a concrete pit. We just need to keep watering it twice a day for the next week or something like that. So I don't know when the coating will start, but yeah, and then we've got to figure out the fencing and decking and whatnot. Anyway, that's an update. Catch you next time.